Good morning, Ms. Nguyen Lam and Estimate College. My name is Nguyen Lam. Today, I'm excited to present assignment 3, a strategic pitch for female B2B customer omnichannel growth. As an enterprise video uses are correlated, we must stand at a pivotal crossroad to move from a standard hosting provider to an undisputed enterprise leader. We must undergo an omnichannel transformation, rebuilding ecosystem integration, establishing transparent pricing, and driving AI-powered personalization. Let's dive into how we can turn friction into market domains. Uh, Through rigorous analysis, we identified two critical friction points that currently hold Vimeo back from capturing high-value enterprise accounts. First, there is an ecosystem integration defect. Unlike direct B2B competitor like BigYard and Wistar, Vimeo like native real-time CRM data chain into platform like Salesforce and HubSpot. Viewing engagement metric suffer from high latency or rely heavily on third-party middleware like Zapier, meaning sales team miss real-time buyer intent signal. Second, we face onboarding and pricing friction. Female enterprise pricing is gate-capped and opaque, requiring forced sales call, quick lead to several drop-off among mid-market buyer attempting to transition from self-serve tier to enterprise accounts. Uh, to To overcome this challenge, our strategic roadmap is structured around three core pillars. Pillar one focuses on seamless ecosystem integration by systematizing CRM data chains, expanding native uh, SS, SaaS uh, APIs, and eliminating engagement data latency across touchpoints. Pillar 2 center on transparent enterprise pricing, retention by streamlining enterprise onboarding, providing transparent modular pricing, and identify boss purchase workflow. Finally, Pilot 3 device AI-driven UX and personalization by developing automatic list scoring, in-video recommendation, and simplifying complex UI video workflow. Examining Pillar 1 in detail, data connective is backbone of modern B2B SaaS SSR South. To win enterprise deal, we must first rebuild native bi-directional connector for Salesforce and HubSpot to capture over 80% of video watch intent directly within sales people. Furthermore, we must expand our API architect into a headless API framework, removing middleware dependency to provide direct webhook for enterprise tech stack. Ultimately, achieving zero data latency was instantly synchronized player analytics across mobile apps, embedded web player, and email complaint for a unified 260-degree buyer view. Moving to Pillar 2, pricing transparency and frictionless customer support are key driver of purchase intent and retention. By launching modular upfront pricing tile for mid-market and enterprise accounts, we eliminate artificial barrier and enable buyers to self-evaluate, accurating deal evaluation score by 25%. Post-purchase, we address fragmented customer touchpoint by consolidating split ticket portal, dedicate account manager, and acknowledge basis into a single, amplified customer retention platform, ensuring long-term net retention rate above 150%. In Pilot 3, we capitalize on the consumerization of B2B SaaS through artificial intelligence and OS optimization. We deploy AI qualification. We, we deploy AI lead qualification to trigger interactive in-video CTIS and score buyer intent based on real-time viewing behavior, such as rewatching key feature section. Using predictive algorithm with delivery contextual recommendation to keep mid-funnel prospect engaged with hyper-relevant content feed. Furthermore, we strip away UI and OS friction in legacy workflow by simplifying live stream setup, OTT distribution, and integrating permission across both web and mobile interface. Evaluating where this place Vimeo relate to the competitor, Vimeo currently scored 64 out of 100 on the omnichannel maturity scale, leverage in the run stay behind Brightcove at 75 and Vidyard at 89. By executing our strategic roadmap, a low investment basic solution bring Vimeo to 79 out of 100, surprising Brightcove. However, deploying our high investment optimal strategy elevated Vimeo to 93 out of 100, placing us firmly in the sprint stage as the unstable industry leader. To evaluate resource allocation, we compare two implementation options. The low investment scenario acts as an orchestra, leverage preview IBSS middleware like Zapier, third-party OpenAI APIs, and Zendesk integration, offering rapid time to market with a score of 79 out of 100. Conversely, the high investment scenario built a proprietary enterprise data entry, a custom file turned B2B recommendation model, and a native multi-channel support hub. While capital intensive, this optional solution delivers total system ownership, maximum margin protection, and a benchmark score out of 90, 93 out of 100. Uh, our implementation action plan span for structured quarter. In quarter one, we built the iteration foundation by launching native bidirectional connector for sales and hotspot and deploying event-driven webhook writing for real-time checking. In quarter two, we focus on pricing and onboarding by automating subscription, billing via enterprise, and introducing interactive self-serve onboarding guides inside the admin portal. In quarter three, we launched the AI conversion energy by integrating predictive recommendation energy like Acolia and rolling out LMM powered interactive video overlay for live Q&A and summarization. Finally, in quarter four, we established a unified set hub by connecting Zendesk with Yen's site for project SLA checking while delivering a process web app overhaul for sub to second dashboard log time. The quantity return of executing strategy are transformative across all key business metrics. CRM data since bed improved by 95%, achieving sub-second data streaming to catch warm lead at peak internet. Enterprise lead conversion achieved plus 38% uplift through AI-driven video personalization and dynamic CTA. Customer retention reached 78%, backed by automatic blink and proactive SLA support. Lastly, UI and OS friction reduced lead to an 88% in drop-off, scaling Vimeo overall omnichannel maturity from 64 to line market leadership. At the end, by closing our data integration gap, opening our pricing model, and embedding AI throughout the customer journey, Vimeo will solidify its position as the premier B2B enterprise video platform. Thank you for your time and attention. I will welcome any question and discussion.